Here we have the function f of x equal to e to the x minus 4, and we want to find the derivative. We have just seen that we've just saw that the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, and the antiderivative of e to the x is also e to the x. And so here instead of x, we have x minus 4, so we have to use the chain rule right here. And so the derivative of e to the x is the same thing, and so it would be e to the x minus 4, and then times the derivative of the x minus 4 part, x minus 4. And so we get e to the x minus 4, and then the derivative of x is 1, derivative of 4 is just 0, so we get 1, and therefore we get e to the x minus 4, and that's the answer. And here we have the function of 5, e to the 4x squared minus 2, and we want to find the derivative. And again, the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x, but here we don't have just x, we have 4x squared plus 2, and so we have to use the chain rule. And so we get 5 times, and again, e to the x is just e to the x, so e to the 4x squared plus 2 is just e to the 4x squared plus 2. But the chain rule is we have to multiply this by the derivative of the 4x squared, and then plus 2. And so we have 5, and then the e to the 4x squared plus 2, and then times the derivative of 4x squared plus 2. This will be the derivative of 4x squared. It would be 4 times 2x, which is 8x, and then derivative of 2 is just 0, and so we get 8x. And so the answer would be 5 times 8x is 40x, and then times this expression here. And that's the answer. Here we have the function x times e to the 2x, and we want to find the derivative. And so this is a product. And so to get the derivative, we have to use the product rule. And the product rule is, it would be the first factor times the derivative of the second factor and plus the second factor times the derivative of the first. And so here we have x times the derivative e to the 2x. We have to use the chain rule over here. And so the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x, and so the derivative of e to the 2x will be e to the 2x, and then times the derivative of the 2x. And so we get e to the 2x, and then times 2, so we get 2e to the 2x. And so here we get 2e to the 2x, and then plus e to the 2x, and then the derivative of x is just 1. And so altogether we get 2x e to the 2x and then plus e to the 2x.